Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Did you slept with makeup on? Here is how to undo the damage. This has happened to the best of us, but if you do this more often, please stop. Well, we aren't really wearing too much makeup right now, and thank God for that. Our skin is being able to breathe. We are taking a much needed break. But when we did cake on the makeup, we have all been guilty of sleeping with our makeup on because it feels like too much after a long night. Don't give yourself a pat on the back just now because you're not putting on makeup. I'm pretty sure there have been days recently when you just haven't cleansed your face at night or done any sort of skincare because you haven't stepped out. Well, this is all just a damaging. The one thing that sleeping with makeup on does is that it clogs your pores. So you are waking up to dry, crusty skin with stains and you need to be extremely gentle. Here is how to undo the damage. Do not pick at your skin. The first thing you probably want to do is to touch your face, check for bumps and bruises, scratch that one bump that is on your nose. Don't. Your pores are already clogged. You really don't want to make it worse. Do a double cleanse. Usually, you would do this to remove your makeup. Well, you're removing overnight makeup now. So start with an oil or balm cleanser or at least an oil-based makeup remover and then follow it up with a cream or foam cleanser. Be gentle, don't use a harsh cleanser. Your skin has already been stripped of its nutrients. Cleanse your eyeballs. I know this sounds weird, but there are chances of your mascara, eyeliner or eyeshadow fallout being inside your eyeballs. Those might have irritated your eyes through the night. So just cleanse your eyes with some water or use some cooling eye drops. Look at your face closely. Now that the product residue is off, assess the damage. Look at your face properly. See what the damage is. Does it feel too dry and crusty? Is your T-zone acting up? How many new breakouts can we see? Just look carefully before you decide a treatment plan. Add a mask. I wouldn't advise this step if you are heading out to work or don't have the time, but if you do have a little extra time, just use a mask. If the breakouts are too many, use a clarifying mask. If you are feeling flaky, use a sheet mask. Just pick one according to the concern. Do not skip the serum. Your skin needs all the care and hydration it can get. The ideal one to use at this time would be a vitamin C serum. It wakes your skin up and helps reduce dullness. Follow it up with your regular moisturizer. SPF. If you skip sunscreen on a regular day, on this day the sunscreen is the most important step of your routine. Your skin needs all the protection it can get. Also, try and have a no makeup day if you can. Another important thing that isn't skincare related but is important is to change your pillowcase before you sleep on it again. The case is probably covered in the makeup and sebum and pollution. You don't need to expose your skin to that again and hydrate yourself through the day. Yes, these are a lot of steps, so now you know. Removing your makeup before sleeping will save you a lot of time in the morning. Always take good care of your skin.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.